Hello YouTube, we are back with another video, and as you can see, it's snowing outside. How snowy do you think it's going to be by the time we get, okay. By the time we get back?
I think our footsteps are going to be completely covered up again. Definitely.
That's a good assumption. What?
Like my inside feels warm, like real warm. But my shoulders feel.
I really like those two logs. On a scale from 1 to 10, how cold are you?
4.
Yeah, I'm actually like a 3.
Yeah, my insides are very warm.
It's really just,
Huh?
So it's really just my face.
Yeah, it's my shoulders for some reason. Why is that the first thing? And then I can feel
Your
the area
shoulders.
between my feet and my coat ending. Like my upper thighs are fine,
Mm-hmm.
but like my knee below.
Yeah, your jacket is getting all wet.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, here. Get a coffee, right?
Mm-hmm.
Snow is so peaceful. Like hearing it through the hood.
Yeah. Hearing it through the hood.
Huh?
Mm-hmm. The only thing about these gloves is I can't touch the screen, and I'm not used to not touching the screen. Touch me, yeah. Chicken to be shot. How? That's literally what he said. Just because you can't speak Russian, don't mean I can't speak Russian.
Okay. That part's on video.
I don't care. Oh, baby, I love the way.
By the way.
Where are they?
You don't even know.
Who's that?
Said you don't even know.
It's pretty difficult walking this way too.
It's what?
I said it's pretty difficult walking this way too.
Why?
It was also getting into my face. I didn't think the path was going to be this snowy yet.
I mean, it's not a road.
Yeah, but it's covered by like trees.
I mean, these trees don't have no leaves to say let me saute you. You know?
Are the trees aliens?
Yeah.
I don't think that would make you an alien.
Huh?
I don't think that would make you an alien if you were a tree talker. Would it? I always take a picture of this. I have one in the spring, I have one in the fall, and now I have one in the winter. Even though it's kind of like the end of winter. These rocks. You should put some footsteps up there. Like in a straight line,
Like from one corner or just?
What do you think would look better?
I would say going.
Okay. Mine's is too though, so.
Wow. These are not cute. Wow.
Just keep going.
Wow.
I can't see the footsteps. Okay, there you go. Yeah, hopefully a train, passes by on the trail. I know you're cold. Oh, what?
What's wrong with that?
It was like I don't know. It was like a duck or like, but it went underwater.
Oh.
And I was like, I know you're cold. You go take a dip in?
No.
Are you gonna take a dip? Go down there.
Do you want me to die?
You're not gonna go down there?
No. Are you gonna go down there?
I would. Look at the little W. I should have had my camera ready. I saw it right there.
Yeah.
I could have got it flying, man. The water looks so like peaceful.
Okay. You wanna take a picture of these?
Of what? Is it? Oh.
No.
Hmm?
That's the roof. Maybe if we find the closet, we'll go in our closet. Is that a rule or something?
No.
I feel like every 3 steps, I get a thick heel on the bottom of my shoe,
Uh-huh.
and then it falls off. Like I feel myself doing it, right? And then it falls off.
Yeah, kind of like this. Rabbit.
Oh. Sorry.
You're good. I'm gonna do a pull up. I don't know what that is,
Yeah.
but it ain't no pull up.
Yeah, that was it. Yeah, like,
I guess it is.
taking a picture though. You have to put that out.
But I'm about to. I'm about to take a picture, so I can't take it out.
What did you say?
I said I'm about to take a picture, so I can't take it out.
Dominic, you gotta take that out.
Take what out? I kind of just want to see how it looks. It kind of looks cool.
Oh, there's a bird up there?
They're talking to me. They said, "Yeah, you would have won a picture."
Catch him then. Ask him if he says you can do it.
Oh, I didn't go in up here and take a picture, even though I can't see anything. Oh yeah, ain't no reason to do that. You can't see Jack Diddley Squat.
Yeah, did you?
Jack Diddley Squat.
But I can't feel stuff.
You can't feel my face when I'm with you.
Huh?
I said I like the snow on these leaves. I'm about to take a picture of them. If I can get a picture of them. Take it. I'm gonna try with that one up there.
Huh?
I'm gonna try with that one. I got snow falling off of me. What the heck?
Leaves with snow?
Christmas.
I wish this would come around Christmas time.
What the heck? Yeah.